Hello everyone, welcome to the PRsoftwares YouTube channel. In this GUI series, today I'm going to create this layout, and when I click on this sum, it will read this 2 number and it will show you in the front addition of 2 number. So in this video, basically we will see how to convert our other data type to the integer and how to perform the basic operation by using the GUI concepts. So let us start with the video. First, create one normal file. I took here sum. I have created one file. Import Tkinter, import star. So all these concepts already we discussed. So once again, I'm not going to explain all this stuff. Message box. I will write like this. Import Tkinter message box as. For any explanation of previous concept, please watch my previous video, which is there in the description. Okay. Let us create the root window. I want the root title. What is the title we give? Let us say we are giving addition. Whatever title you want, you can take it. Then we want geometry. What is the geometry? Here we will take geometry around 400 by 400. It's up to you how you want to show it. Root dot config. What background color you want, you can take your own background. Let us say we want N. Take it N. Then first, as per this layout, we want this label. What is the label? Addition of 2 numbers. So let us create the label here. I will write factorial is equals to label. What is the label text we want here? Addition of. Okay. And then background color. As you know, we always keep the background same as window layout. Foreground color, text color, what do you want? I want black. Let us take it black. What is the font style you want? You can choose your own font style. I want font style is Arial and size is 8. Same, I am keeping everything like previous videos. Title X is equals to 100 and Y axis will keep it 50. But title will get set up. And last we have to write root dot. Just title I am setting. When I am testing, everything is getting wrong here. One thing is wrong. What is that? Label object is not callable. Oh. Here we have to write title dot place. Let's run. Addition of 2. Let us quickly create this buttons. How many buttons we want? 2 buttons. Let us write N1 is equals to label text number, or you can write shortcut num1 because it will be lengthy, and rest of the properties I will copy paste from here only, guys. Come here, copy these properties, and those who are feeling fast, it means you do not practice, guys. So you should practice all this concept again. So only thing we have to change here size is very big, we'll make it 60. And one dot place x-axis how much you want. Let us say I want x-axis 50, y-axis we will take it around 90. Already you know what is x-axis, what is y-axis, all this stuff you are already up. Then n1 underscore box. This is very important concept. Whatever I will enter into this box, that I have to read in the packet. So that's why this name you should be very careful. So entry I am taking n1 underscore box dot place. X-axis we are taking around 100 and y-axis we will take it around. As you know, whatever last is there for entry, you have to take extra time. Let me cross check. It is overlapping, so let us take around 130. First I need to test it, so rest of the thing you don't need to. Let us go with now label. Same whatever it is there for N1, I will copy and paste it, guys. Okay, come to this bottom. Just instead of N1 label, change the name to N2. That is point number 1. Here also you change it 1 to N. Rest everything is same. Only thing, x-axis also 50 only. There is no change. Y-axis you change it. I already told you, whichever y-axis there at the last, we take it around 40 extra into that one. Perfectly. Same you copy paste for entry. Here box N1 is there, change it to N2. Why copy pasting, guys? Little bit carefully, because name, when you are giving, this I copy pasted N1. Just change this to N2. And x-axis will be same, only changed what? Y-axis. Whatever last is there, add 10 into that one. That is 150 for name and this. Two numbers we got it. And last we want what? Submit thing. I hope everyone is aware of all this stuff. Not to discuss again and again. Text is equals to, I write simple sum I. Just place it. For place also, x-axis I want similar to last entry, that is 130. At y-axis we will take it extra 50 from last. Now a requirement, when I click on sum, addition should get performed. So what you have to write here, guys? Comma, command is equals to, we can write one function called addition. Means when I click on command, one function will get triggered, that is called addition. So you have to create that function, guys. So come here and write def addition. Okay. Now here what we have to do, we have to read the two values. That value will be available in which box? This entry box. What is the first entry box name? N1 underscore box. And second is N2 underscore box. This you have to remember. Take first value, N1 is equals to N1 underscore box dot get. And N2 is equals to N2 underscore box dot get. But in the last class I told you guys, whatever the data we are reading by using dot get method, in that what will happen? Data will come in the form of string. So Python rule is what? Whatever data we read by using input, that is string. If I want to convert into number, what do you write there? Integer. Similarly here, it will read by default string. If you want to convert into integer, you have to write int in bracket this one. Similarly for this one, int in bracket. Somebody asks you, what is the by default type of N1 underscore box dot get? What is the type, guys? String. If you want to convert into number, you have to write integer. If you want decimal, you have to write float. That is same like previous. Next, msg dot show info. You know that first is result, that is called title of the layout. And second, we want addition. So directly I am writing N1 plus N. First I am showing you normal layout. Let us run. Give the value called 4 and 5. Click on sum. 9 is. But you will say, sir, what is this 9? How I will understand whether which two number addition is 9? What I can do is, I can show you one more way to print it. Suppose you want to print the output in this way, like 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. This is little complicated, guys. Try to understand carefully. Here, I print output in this way, but here it will take only one parameter. If I try to pass multiple parameter, I will get the error. So we have to do here string concatenation you have to perform. How can you perform, guys? First up to here you can practice, you can copy this one, then you try the second one, it will be easy point. I'm making it comment, as I will make it, so that if you want to use, you can take the screenshot and you can use it. I'm writing now fresh. First I will do the sum of these two number, N1 plus N2. Normal, how we do in Python like this. Now concatenation is nothing but joining. You have to join all this stuff. How will you join? Let us understand. I will take here, for result, I will take R is equals to, first you convert N1 to string, because concatenation means joining when we want. You have to convert it to string. N1 plus, plus means join. Now to that plus, okay, I will do one thing. I will write here one more sample example, guys. This output actually I require, just for understanding purpose I am writing. See here. str of N1 means I got the 10 here. Plus is nothing but for joining. This plus is not this one, guys. Both are different. Now plus, I want that plus symbol. Then double quotation plus. When you write in double quotation, then only it will come. So plus. So 10 plus, two things I got it. Plus, again I want 20. So str of, I will write N. So I got 20. So 10 plus 20. Again plus for joining. Equals to in double quotation. Again plus, I want what? string of S. That is sum. So what will happen, guys, here? First 10 will come, then attach, plus will attach, then plus again attach 20, then again plus means join is equals to again join sum. Like this you have to write. And after that, this R value you will pass inside this message box. I will do one thing, I will copy this message box again, delete from here and enter. What you can do is here, instead of result, you can write just simply. And guys, if you are okay, you can type everything here itself in place of R. It is possible, but to make it simple, I'm writing like this. Now you see it, run it again. Values I can give same only, 10, 20, click on sum. 10 plus 20 is equals to 30. So how you want, it is up to you guys. You can practice as for that. So first, up to here you practice it. By using this one, in tomorrow's morning class, I will give you some concept to practice this. Like GST billing system will practice it. Electricity, I told you one game in the last class. That game you will convert into GUI. So once you practice with that layout, then I will create in the next class multiple layout, like sum, addition, multiplication, division. 4 buttons I will give. If I click on sum will perform. If I click on division will perform. Like this we will create. Okay? So up to here, you practice it. Rest of the things we'll discuss in tomorrow's class.